Yes.
What is nutrition?
The process by which living organisms take in food and utilize it carry out different life processes is known as nutrition.
Autotrophic nutrition.
The mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food by using simple substance in their surrounding is known as autotrophic nutrition.
Heterotrophic nutrition.
The mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on other organisms for their food is known as heterotrophic nutrition.
Electric fuse.
The safety device instills a circuit to electric appliance pass through them damage due to excess current.
Repeat once again.
The safety device installed in a circuit to protect electric appliance and protect them to damage excess current.
Solenoid.
The cylindrical coil of wire that show magnetic property when electric current pass through them is known as solenoid.
Uniform motion.
The type of motion in which an object covered equal distance and equal time is known as uniform motion.
Cellular respiration.
The process by which glucose broken down inside the cell of the body and release energy is known as cellular respiration.
Dispersion of light.
The splitting of white light from sun through a person in 7 colors is known as dispersion of light.
Repeat once again.
The splitting of white light from sun through a person in 7 colors through a prism in 7 colors is known as dispersion of light.
Speed.
The distance covered by moving object in unit interval of time is known as speed.
Indicator.
An indicator is a substance that helps us to identify whether giving the solution of acidic and basic or neutral to help us to change in color.
What is pH scale?
The strength of acid base measured on the scale is known as pH scale.
Repeat once again.
The strength of acid base measured on the scale is known as pH scale.
Transparent object.
Which allowed to light pass through them is known as transparent object.
Translucent object.
Translucent object which allowed to pass light through them but partially is known as translucent object.
Opaque.
Which do not light pass through them is known as opaque object. Which do not allow to light pass through them is known as opaque object.
What is the source of lactic acid?
Milk curd.
What are the source of formic acid?
And sting.
And another name?
Nettle
sting. Malic acid?
Apple.
Ascorbic acid?
Vinegar.
Repeat once again.
Vinegar.
No. Ascorbic acid, amla and guava. Citric acid?
Lemon orange.
Tartaric acid?
Tamarind.
Ozone depletion leads to
Skin cancer.
a defect in which a person cannot see nearby clearly but can see faraway objects.
Hypermetropia.
A substance that conducts electric current in its solution.
Electrolyte.
The number of oscillations made by a vibrating body in 1 second.
Frequency.
A device used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Barometer.
The frictional force that acts when an object rolls over a surface.
Rolling friction.
Which of the following can be drawn into wires? Sodium, B. Potassium, C. Copper, D. Mercury.
Copper.
Rainwater seeps through the soil by the process of
Dripping.
the spectrum of light has
7 color.
Objects do not give out lights are called
Non-luminous object.
The tornado appears as a funnel with the speed of wind that can extend up to
Once again.
The tornado appears as a funnel with the speed of wind that can extend up to
Fast.
The chemical formula for potassium carbonate.
K2CO3.
The shedding of skin by a silkworm is called
Molting.
The reflex actions in our body are controlled by
spinal cord.
a substance that dissolves in another substance is called.
What once again?
The substance that dissolves in another substance is called
Solute.
the process by which complex food molecules are broken down into simpler molecules are called
Digestion.
That's all.